All right, everyone. So I'm working with now a Jaguar F-Pace. So yeah, customer states that there's a lot of warning lights came on dash. Like it's alarming because multiple warning came on dash. So I'm gonna switch the engine on or switch the ignition on, and you can see there's a lot of warning came in dash, and check engine light also is on, like a solid check engine light. So that's one. So yeah, it's okay to drive. Not that one, service required. Yeah, not that one. So yeah, check engine light is on, and DEF, there's a problem with the DEF or diesel exhaust fluid, and we're gonna do troubleshooting with this car. Yeah, that one. So we're gonna figure it out what's the problem on this car, and we're gonna hook up the computer and find what's the trouble code. So let's get it started. Okay, so I figure what's the problem of this car. So I already experienced this kind of problem. So yeah, so I checked the groundings here in the flooring. So I found that this groundings here was corroded and totally damaged. So the flooring needs to be repaired, definitely. And we're gonna put these grounding cables into the other position, like ground it to the other position of the body, and we're gonna check if the warning lights will come off. So yeah, definitely needs to be repaired, the flooring. Okay, so I managed to found a place to relocate the grounding cables, and I'm gonna turn the engine on and see if the warning lights came off. So yeah, we still have the check engine light because we have a problem with the the DEF. So we're gonna fix the DEF, but good thing is the warning lights came. It's good. No, there's no warning lights. So yeah, I'm gonna show you where did I put the cables, the grounding cables. So here's the flooring, the damaged flooring. So this is the stud for the cable. So yeah, we're gonna throw that, and this is our cable. Okay, the grounding cable. So I put it there temporarily. Well, temporarily, to make sure that the problem is because of the damaged grounding cable. Okay, so I'm going to do a quick road test with this car, and you can see there's a check engine light because there's a problem with the NOx sensor. So NOx, yeah. So yeah, but what I'm going to show you is there's no warning lights in the dash right now because we removed the grounding cable from here and put it there in the side panel. So yeah, just like I said, before you replace some parts, because there's a lot of like a multiple warning in the dash, so you have to do first some like a troubleshooting, like check the wiring harness just to make sure that before you replace some parts there's no problem with the wiring harness. So yeah, I hope this video helps you guys. It applicables for all kind of cars.